Greetings to all.
I am Master Shah
And I am Master Tej Deshpande.
and we are presenting hydrogen, the fuel of the future. Why hydrogen at the first place? Hydrogen is a fuel that can be burned completely without leaving any residue, unlike the other fuels we use today. So how do we obtain this hydrogen? Here are two reactions for that.
I will be explaining you the processes in brief that we use to make hydrogen. There are mainly two processes. First is the reaction of magnesium and hydrochloric acid, which produces magnesium chloride and hydrogen. First we will put HCl in the flask. Then we will put some of the magnesium strips that we collected from car scraps. Now we can see that hydrogen is being produced. We will put a balloon on the top of the flask to capture this hydrogen. Now we can see that the balloon is getting inflated. This gas is hydrogen. The second process we are doing to produce hydrogen is the electrolysis reaction. We are doing green electrolysis. We have a mini replica of sun which powers our solar panels. The solar panels power this reaction of electrolysis. We are using water with a bit of KOH, which is potassium hydroxide, to ionize it. And we can see that hydrogen is being collected in this cathode of the test tube.
How do we use this hydrogen? This hydrogen can be used to power cars, to power the homes by electricity, etc. We have made two uses. The first use is by using it in a car. In this car, the hydrogen is stored as liquid fuel. This liquid fuel is vaporized and then transported to the engines and the pistons inside it. This hydrogen will be burned to make alternate pressure in the alternate pistons of the engine. This alternate linear motion will in turn create a circular motion which would rotate the rotator and power the car. Now, the electricity can be made by using a process known as nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion could be obtained by mixing two nucleuses of lighter atoms to make a heavier atom. This generates a lot of energy. In the nuclear fusion, the fusion chamber acts as a chamber for the hydrogen to be produced. Two hydrogen will be fused together to form an isotope of hydrogen, that is deuterium. With this fusion, a lot of energy will be produced, as well as a neutron, a positron and a neutrino. The neutron will be ejected out at high speeds, which will be made to start a chain reaction. The energy is equivalent to 17 mega electron volts, that is around 3.6 into 10 power of minus 23 joules. The energy will be used to boil the water, which would make steam and turn the turbine. This circular motion will be used to make electricity as electricity. Here are some calculations. One atom of hydrogen, when burned, will make around 286 kilowatts. 1 mole of hydrogen, that is. And 286 kilowatts can be used to power a house for around 9 days continuously.
Lastly, we would like to thank our school for giving us this opportunity to participate, and the science department of the school, including our special mentor, Vikas Chanchal sir, who has guided us through this project. And we would also like to thank CBSE for giving us this opportunity to participate. Thank you. burning of hydrogen creates a pop sound like this.